Hello friends, today we will discuss your next topic, that is the applications of partial differentiation. Okay, and this application belongs to errors and approximation. Okay, errors and approximation. We have to find the errors, also the approximation. Okay, first of all we will introduce some basic theory. Let Z be a function of x comma y. Let Z be a function of x comma y, be a continuous function of x and y let dx and dy change in x. Okay, dx and dy be the errors occurs in the measurement of the values x and y, x and y. Okay, suppose we get the error in x is dx and error in y is delta y. Okay, in measuring the values of x and y, we get the errors are x and dx and dy. Okay, then we calculate, suppose z is function of x and y. If there is errors in x is dx and errors in y is dy, then obviously z has error. The function z has error because z is a function of x and y. Okay. Then we calculate error in z, that is dz. Okay, we have to calculate error in z, that is dz. Okay, some important results is there. Suppose remark first dx, dy and dz are called actual errors in xyz. Okay, dx, dy, dz are called actual errors in xyz. Second, dx upon x, dy upon y and dz upon z are called the relative errors in xyz. Okay, dx upon x, okay, relative, dy upon y and dz upon z, these are called the relative errors. And third, 100 dx upon x, 100 dy upon y, 100 dz upon z are called the percentage error in xyz. This is very important point. Okay, so देखो dx, dy, dz, these are called the relative errors in xyz, dx by x, dy by y and dz by z. Then dx, dy, dz, these are called the actual errors in xyz. and 100 dx by x, 100 dy by y, and 100 dz by z. These are the called the percentage error in xyz. Okay, actual error. After that the relative error, and after that the percentage error. Okay. Now similarly, we know that some basic formulas first the area of circle. area of circle क्या था formula? First area of circle, area of circle क्या था formula? Pi r square. Okay. Second, area of ellipse. If a and b are the major and minor axis, area of ellipse. क्या आता है? पाई ए बी. करेक्ट. ए एंड बी आर द मेजर एंड माइनर एक्सिस. थर्ड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. दिस इज पाई आर स्क्वेयर एच. पाई आर स्क्वेयर एच डिवाइडेड बाय 3. Then fourth, the volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere क्या था formula? 4/3 pi r cube. Correct. 4/3 pi r cube. Then next, volume of a cylinder. कहता है आंसर पाई आर स्क्वेयर एच. ओके, पाई आर स्क्वेयर एच. ओके, दीज आर दी सम बेसिक फार्मूलेज. ओके, तो एक्चुअल एरर, परसेंटेज एरर, आल्सो दिस रिलेटिव एरर, एंड दीज आर दी बेसिक फार्मूलेज which are required for this topic, that is the topic approximations and errors. Okay, now we will discuss example on the same topic. Example first. Example first on the same topic. Find percentage error find percentage error in the area of an ellipse. In the area of an ellipse. In the area of an ellipse, when an error of 1% is made when measuring its major and minor axis. Major and minor axis. Okay, now look on the board. Here formula of ellipse given, not given, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपको मालूम है the formula of ellipse. Find the percentage error in the area of an ellipse. Okay, the area of an ellipse when an error occurs 1% when measuring its major and minor axis. Okay, now suppose the area of ellipse, suppose x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is your ellipse, and a comma b are major and minor axis. A and b are major and minor. Okay, this is equation. Okay, this is equation of an ellipse, and a and b are major and minor axis. Okay, therefore the area of ellipse capital A is equal to pi into A into B. Correct, this is your area of an ellipse formula. Correct, pi into A into B. Okay, so take first कौन सा भी एग्जांपल आने दो. First write formula, then apply log on the both the sides. Apply log, तो क्या जाएगा, log of A is equal to log of pi AB. Correct, now here use the formula of log, तो क्या जाएगा, this is log of A is equal to log of pi plus log of A plus log of B. Okay, by using formula we get this log of ABC. How to write log of ABC? Log of A plus log of B plus log of C. Okay, now step first, आपके first क्या है, आपके पास formula होना चाहिए. After that apply log on the both the side, then log होने के बाद differentiate this equation. Differentiate. Okay, okay, or take differentiation. Okay, तो क्या जाएगा, log of x क्या था, डेरिवेटिव 1 by a into dA. Correct, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ a is equal to log of pi, डेरिवेटिव इज 0, देन उसका 1 by a into dA plus 1 by b into dB. Okay, we get the second part, that is this is formula for finding relative errors, dA upon a, dB upon b. Okay, this is for the relative error. Okay, but we have to find here the percentage error. क्या करना पड़ेगा, multiply by 100. तो क्या जाएगा, 100 dA upon a is equal to 100 dA upon a plus 100 dB upon b. Okay, but in given the percentage error in measuring the minor and major axis is 1%, तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या जाएगी, 1, and उसकी वैल्यू क्या जाएगी, 1. This is 1% plus 1%, this is 100 dA upon a. Okay, तो क्या जाएगा, 100 dA upon a is equal to 2%. This is the percentage error in measuring the area of an ellipse. Okay, this is percentage error in measuring the area of an ellipse if this ellipse has error 1% in its major and minor axis. Okay, step first, apply log. First step क्या है, first write the formula. Step first the formula, then second apply log, then differentiate, then multiply by 100, then puts the given values, we get required answer. Okay, now example second on the same topic. Second example, on the same topic. If the area of a triangle ABC, if the area of a triangle ABC is calculated. Example 2, the area of triangle ABC is calculated from the formula is calculated from the formula 1 by 2 BC into sin A. 1 by 2 BC into sin of A. Okay, full stop. Errors of 1%, 2% and 3%, 1%, 2% and 3% respectively are in measuring B, C, A. Measuring B, C, A. If correct value of A is 45 degree, if correct value of A is 45 degree, comma, find the percentage error in calculating the area. Find percentage error in the calculated area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Okay, here the error in B, error in C and error in capital A are given. These are the percentage error, correct? And this is your formula. Here formula is given. Okay. Now answer, suppose area of triangle delta is equal to 1 by 2 BC sin A. Okay, this is your formula. Then check, then step first apply log. क्या जाएगा, log of delta is equal to यहाँ पे सेम log of 1 by 2 BC sin A, correct? Log of 1 by 2 BC sin A. Then use the property of log, we get log of delta is equal to क्या जाएगा, log of 1 by 2 plus log of B plus log of C plus log of sin A, correct? क्या जाएगा, log of 1 by 2 plus log of B plus log of C plus log of sin A, correct? Log of sin A, correct? Now the next step after log, the next step, take differentiate, okay, or take derivative, differentiate. Okay, तो क्या जाएगा, log of delta, differentiation 1 by delta into d delta is equal to log of 1 by 2, derivative is 0 because this is constant, then log of B 1 by B into dB plus log of C 1 by C into dC plus derivative of log of sin A, just like the derivative of log f of x. क्या आता है आंसर, f dash of x divided by f of x. तो तो क्या जाएगा, एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स साइन का डिफरेंशिएशन कॉस ऑफ ए डिवाइडेड बाय साइन ए इंटू डी ए. Okay, now solve this. This is 1 by delta into dA plus 1 by b into db plus 1 by c into dc plus cos by sin. Cos by sin क्या मिलेगा, cot. This is cot of a into dA, correct? Cot of a into dA. Okay, then multiply by 100. Okay, multiply by 100. Multiply by 100 to both the side. Okay, multiply. Multiply by 100. Okay, multiply by 100. We have to solve this. तो क्या मिलेगा, 100 dA upon delta. Sorry, this is delta. $100 dB upon B plus 100 dC upon C plus 100 cot of A into dA. Cot of A into dA. Okay. Then find the error in B. Error in B. क्या दिए, हाँ, error in B is given. Error in B is 1%. Error is okay. 100 dB by B. उसका मीनिंग क्या है, percentage error in B. This is 1 plus percentage error in C. This is C. वो क्या दिया है, 2 प्लस यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे हियर डायरेक्टली परसेंटेज एरर है क्या, अवेलेबल नहीं है. क्या करना पड़ेगा, 100 DA डिवाइड में कौन आना चाहिए, ये. तो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय ये. तो क्या जाएगा, 100 ये इंटू DA इंटू कॉट ऑफ ये होल डिवाइड बाय ये. ओके, तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, 100 DA A. ओके, दिस इज 100 इंटू DA इंटू ए. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय ए. तो क्या जाएगा, परसेंटेज एरर. तो क्या बचेगा, दिस इज 3 प्लस यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, ए, हाँ 3 इंटू द एरर इन कैपिटल ए. दिस इज 3%, करेक्ट. तो दिस इज 3, 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 into the value of a. The value of a. Okay, 100 into DA upon a. 100 into DA upon a. उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, 3%. तो यहाँ पे क्या गया, 3 इंटू ये की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे, ये इज 45. ओके, आई विल राइट ए एज इट इज इंटू ये इंटू कॉट 45 डिग्री, करेक्ट. दिस इज 3 plus 3 इंटू ये इज 45 इज नथिंग बट पाई बाय 4 इंटू कॉट पाई बाय 4 इज 1. कॉट पाई बाय 4 और कॉट 45 डिग्री इज 1. एंड दिस इज 3 plus 3 pi divided by 4. This is your percentage error in area of a triangle. Okay, यहाँ पे समझ में आ गया सबको. Multiply and divide by A. This is 100 into DA upon A. उसकी वैल्यू क्या जाएगी, 3%. This A as it is. Cot 45 as it is. Then put value of A pi by 4 and cot 45 is 1. So we get the percentage error in area of a triangle, and this is your answer, 3 plus 3 pi by 4. Okay, now सेम मेथड है आपके पास, खाली क्या होना चाहिए, फार्मूला. इफ आपके पास फार्मूला है, देन फर्स्ट स्टेप अप्लाई लॉग, देन डिफरेंशिएट, देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 and put the proper values, we get required answer. Okay, now I will give some examples for your homework. Example third, in calculating the volume of right circular cone, in calculating the volume of right circular cone errors of 2% and 1% are made in measuring the height and base. In measuring height and base, respectively. Comma, find the error in calculating volume. Find error in calculating volume. Okay, same here. Use the formula of the right circular cone. Okay, volume of right circular cone, and this formula is phi is equal to pi r square h divided by 3. Okay, here we have to use the formula phi is equal to pi r square h upon 3. Okay, here h is height and r is the base radius. Okay, r is base radius and h is height. Okay, same, first apply log, then after that differentiate, then after that multiply by 100, we get answer. Okay, this is your homework. Now one more example, 4. Example number 4. The resonant frequency in a series electrical circuit is given by f is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root L into C if measuring of L and C by 2% and minus 1% respectively. यहाँ पे errors, L and C errors, these are the errors. Okay, errors by 2% and minus 1%. Find percentage error in calculating f. Find percentage error in calculating f. Okay, so here is also same. Here we have to apply first step log on the both the side. तो 1 by log क्या जाएगा, 1 upon log of 1 minus log of this. Correct, log of 1 minus log of this. Then after that use the basic logarithmic calculation and solve. Okay, also one more example on the same topic. Find possible percentage error example next. Find possible percentage error in the parallel resistance are of three resistance R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3 from the formula from the formula 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 if R1, R2, R3 are each in error by plus 1.2%. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? ओके, दिस इज योर पैरेलल रेजिस्टेंस सर्किट R and this is formula. Okay, this is your formula 1 by R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 and these are the percentage error 1.2 in R1, R2, R3. Okay, तो same step, first apply log, then second step differentiate. ओके, यहाँ पे log नहीं अप्लाई किया तो भी चलेगा बिकॉज 1 by है, तो डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशिएट, नो नीड टू अप्लाई लॉगरिथम, डायरेक्टली differentiate, then after that multiply by 100 and solve, we get the required answer. Okay, here the percentage error in R1, R2, R3 are 1.2%. Okay, here this topic is over. The next lecture we will discuss the next topic. Okay.